Hi, this is Eric Kemp with the Lisa Erickson Group. Come check out our new listing. You have to see this kitchen. One of my favorite features of this property is this beautiful dream kitchen. I mean, between the brass accent pieces, brand new stainless steel appliances, white granite countertops, glass backsplash. It is just beautiful. Fully renovated this year with our in-house contracting team, Your Door. This beautiful mid-century modern home boasts a spacious open floor plan. I mean, how comfy is this? However, the highlight of this house has to be the master bedroom. I mean, this master is a Zen retreat in the midst of an oasis. But it's not just the private patio access, uplifting natural lighting. This master bathroom is a spa. With 5638, you're getting a home full of character, such as this creative pocket office adjacent to the one-car garage. If you like this video, be sure to follow and subscribe for more great content. And if you like this property, call me here at any time and we'll make this thing happen.